Everyone, thanks for tuning in. As you can see from the intro there, finally got my hands on the new Ryobi HP subcompact drill driver. They didn't have the kit in stock in my local store, so I just got this. Online it's been saying they had the stuff in stock for 2 weeks, and I go there and the guys, they act like they don't know what I'm talking about. They're like, what? Huh? The Ryobi guy hasn't been here yet, but there might be a couple over on my desk. So finally I got them, like, geez Louise, it's like pulling teeth to these guys at Home Depot, they know nothing. Rant over. Anyways guys, stick around the end, you're not going to want to miss this one guys. It's going to be a good one. Hit that intro. Crack this puppy open. See how it's taped up here? If this is a returned item, I swear to God, the guy says it hasn't been returned and it's brand new. So I don't know if he just opened it to check it out, and of course it's not even wrapped up. That's really freaking small. And of course, you have the compact charger. Now, ow. Some other YouTubers claim this is a rapid charger. Guys, this is not a rapid charger. It takes 2 hours, 2.5 hours to charge a 4 amp hour battery. That is not rapid. The only rapid charger Ryobi has is the green one or the green 6-bay charger. That is it. Yeah, see, this is open. Where's my fucking... Got the bag. Oh, here we go. Battery, and a bit. That's it. Ooh, look at that. Came fully charged up. That's weird, unless the guy charges up at the store. What? Doesn't work. Are you kidding me? This one says it's charged up. This better work. I swear to God. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be pissed. What the fuck? Look at the light. Watch. This is a fully charged up. It's not reading the battery. Fully charged up. 3 amp hour battery. That God, I have to drive all the way up there and return it. Oh, that guy's gonna get a freaking earful for me. Look at that. There's something wrong on the inside. So I get, see that? I'm holding it down. See, it's sizzling. Look at that, it burned my battery, look at that. It just burnt out of my battery. Do you guys see that? Yeah, look. Now the inside's all freaking charcoal. Oh my God. Ryobi's gonna hear about this. That makes me so mad. Man, here we go. This is take 2. 50 miles later, 3 hours and 50 miles later, finally, they did have them in stock. The guy was nice enough to look in the back, and they do have the whole line of Ryobi tools in the store. They just have not put them out yet. I guess they have to wait for the Ryobi rep to set up the display, which is stupid. I don't understand why they can't put it on the shelf. So guys, if you want the new tools, they do have them. Tell them to go look in the back. Open their goddamn eyes up. Alright, without further delay, let's see if this thing is actually worth the money or not. And it is actually sealed, it's not taped shut. Don't ever buy a box if it's taped shut, guys. Make sure that SOB is glued. Glued. Boom. Break that glue seal. See, all the directions do come folded. See, the other one wasn't even in plastic. Well, let's see if they ship them with the batteries fully charged. See, the battery's supposed to be not charged up. That was my first thing. They got me. And they're like, oh, it's brand new. See, there's no cardboard in my other one. Ooh. New toolie smell. Plug them in, plug them in. And last but not least, case nobody cares about, and the crappy charger nobody cares about. Alright. See? Oh, that smells really good actually. It smells like new shoes. You know that rubbery smell? Alright, fully charged up, old school. Hey! Jumpin' Jehoshaphat, it actually fucking works. What the RPMs are on this thing? Oh, max is 1700 RPMs, low is 0 to 450 RPMs. Half inch. This chuck is plastic. This knurling's actually pretty sharp on it. Holy cow. Let's see if the chuck is mechanical or electronic. Yeah, mechanic. See, mechanical, guys, is where you hold it and it makes that noise. Where electrical, it'll just cut off. Put it all the way up to drill. Nice. Let's get a scrap piece of wood. It's high. Let's try it low. Is that just me, or does that low seem really freaking slow? Look at that. Where's my other drill? Let's see what the low speed is on that one. So the other Ryobi brushless drill, the hammer drill, it is the same. It's 410 RPMs. Let's try this one. Take off hammer, don't need that. Wow, this one seems better. See how it works with an HP battery. Wow, I give it some wicked power. Alright, check it out, guys. Now watch this one here. Standard battery. Oh, I guess it's pretty close. HP battery. Oh yeah, definitely a power increase with this compact battery. Well, there you go, guys. Hope you liked that quick little double unboxing of the new Ryobi subcompact drill driver. This is model P as in Paul, S as in Sam, B as in boy, DD as in dog, 01, C as in cat, N as in Nancy. That's weird. I wonder why they went away from the P10s. You know what I'm saying? Like P108, P105. First gear, 0 to 450. Second gear, 0 to 1700 RPMs. 22 position clutch. LED light. It's not a bad little drill, guys. I mean, I have to use it a lot longer before I give you my opinion on it. It seems okay so far. If you don't exclude that the first one I got almost blew up in my hand. So go watch my live stream, guys, if you wanted to see how that one melted the tab on my HP battery here and messed up the other battery. Very disappointing, Ryobi. Ryobi, if you see this, you guys should send me something else to change my mind and make me think your products are good again. Because right now, I think it's not good. I'm not going to swear because I have young kids that watch my channel. But yeah, this changed my mind. I'm almost, yeah. Here you go, guys. I will be doing this against the Rigid and the Makita subcompact, so stick around for those videos. I'm going to put us through its paces, and then we'll get a better feeling for this drill. See why the other one was broken. Did it break from the manufacturer, or did somebody actually break it by like putting it in a bucket of water or something? Who knows? Much love, guys. Don't wear your masks. Stand up for yourself. Question authority. Don't take people's bullshit. Don't forget to subscribe. Go over and check out my other channel. Al's running the blog. Check out Instagram. Links down below. See ya.